Hey up guys, today I'll be making some beef soup. And guys, my pan there, I just had my meat in. And always make sure you put your meat into boiling water. I put some garlic in, like 4 cloves of garlic, not head, cloves. And I just had it to my boiling water. And into my soup, having to cook with my meat is some pumpkin, 2 small carrots, 1 chocho, and 2 small turnips. And that's I will be having to cook with my meat. So it's already washed, guys. So I'll be adding that to cook. So they're already washed. And then guys, I'll be leaving that to cook with the meat. And so guys, I will show you later what else I'm gonna add to my beef soup. Most times on Saturdays it's soup day. So the other day I did cow foot soup, the time before I did chicken soup, and today I'll be doing beef soup. So whenever time I do anything, I'll be posting it, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video. So guys, this is the ingredients that I'll be adding to it. And I'll be adding some yam. That's what in my container here. I have some yam, not a lot. It looks like a plenty, but you have to cut it up into small pieces. Some cocoa, just 1 cocoa, and I cut it up into 4 pieces. And some potato. Not sweet potato, the one what we call Irish potato back home, but it's just potato here. And that's just 3 small ones, and that's can help thicken it. And so guys, I'll be adding it to my beef soup. My meat already, it's cooking really nicely. And so I'll add that to it. I'm using my spoon to stir it up. Yes, guys. And in there I'll be adding some dumplings. I'll put my gloves on. So guys, to make the dumpling, you can make maybe a cup and a half of flour. Depends on how much dumpling you want to make. And guys, you just add a bit of salt to it and get some water. Add your water gradually. Don't pour a lot of water in it because it will spoil it. And so you add it, and then you knead it. You're gonna make something like a dough. Yes, so it's a dough. Yeah? So you don't want it to spoil, so you can't make the dumpling. So you just add your water gradually and knead until you get that. And so guys, if you guys don't know how to make dumplings, you can just spin it in your hand like that, turn it into a ball, and then when you get into a ball, you can just press it down there like that, and you get something like that. Yes, guys? Or the other way, how I make my dumpling, I just get a small portion of it and I turn it like that. Keep turning until you make it into a ball there. And then when you get it like that, you just press it down like that and you get a little dumpling like that. Yes? So that's how I make mine. But guys, for the first people who don't know how to make them, you can just roll it up like that. Yeah? Roll it. And then you get to something like roll. Then you turn it over and you press. Not too much, because you don't want to press too much, and then you get that. Yeah, so that's showing off how to make dumpling. Yeah, and then after I had my dumpling, then I'll be adding my seasoning. And in my soup today, for my seasoning, I'll be adding spring onion, which I call scallion back home. I had 3 sprigs of scallion. I'll be mashing it. And then cut up a half of onion and some thyme, a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. Not a lot because you don't want it to burn your mouth. Not your mouth. And yeah, and then you need one like this, guys, a noodle. And I like to use the pumpkin one because it makes the soup nice and rich and yellow. Yes? So that's what makes my soup look like that. Yeah, I use the pumpkin one. And then after I'll be adding some stock. It could be any type of meat stock. And that bring the taste up, guys. Because you want your food, when you're eating your food tastes nice and have taste to it. And I always like my food have taste. So you'll be adding, you can add one, and then when you try it, and if you need a bit more taste to it, you can add the next one. And you can get these to buy from any supermarket. And they call meat stock. You can buy vegetable one. If you're having vegetable soup, you can buy. And you can add it to your meat soup as well. It doesn't matter. Yes, so this is stock. And then I'll be doing that and then tasting my soup until, until it's ready, guys. So guys, I'll be showing you my Jamaican style beef soup. Yes, guys. So this is the finishing part of my Jamaican style beef soup, guys. You see my meat. So I'll show you. Still cooking away. Yeah. So I'll be dishing out some of these for my daughter and her friend. Yes, guys. So this is my style of beef soup. Yeah. I use a lot of, yeah, guys, all my veg and my dumpling. Yeah, my yam. Yes, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video. Until next time, take care. Bye.